mom of two, this is my favorite humidifier in our home. So this is a large 2.5 liter tank, and the runtime on this is 25 hours. It will also automatically shut off when the water is low. Now this covers up to 280 square feet, and it's whisper quiet, so you're not going to hear it. It's great for nurseries, and it's also a cool mist. Now there's no nightlight, just a knob to turn if you want a lot of mist or a little mist. There's a 360-degree nozzle at the top, so you can direct this whichever direction you want it in the room. And this is also BPA free. Now the mist, it has a 28-inch mist, so it really disperses well. Fill this from the top, so it's very easy. It has a big opening with minimal parts, and to clean this, it comes with a small cleaning brush. So with all that said, it's really easy to clean, keep it really nice and sanitary, easy to maintain it. There's a pre-installed water filter sponge that is included, and this is only 2 pounds, so really easy and light to move around.